What's up guys? Super quick tip slash trick if you will. This is just something that bothers me all the time. Everybody that I see on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere else that has their maps up, it looks like this and it looks lame and it looks ugly. This is just Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay, well yeah, mine's changed like that, but this is how you want your map and it's way better and way cooler, but everybody that has their maps has it like this and it's just ugly. So it's a super easy way to fix that and make it into like satellite mode instead of like this lame map mode. You just go up to the settings up here. You got a couple options. You literally hit satellite map and bam, now you can see houses, you can see buildings as you drive by them, stuff like that. That is awesome. Like when you take a long road trip now, you could kind of glance here and see a farmer's field and see buildings and see lakes. When you have it standard like this, that's just boring and lame. And I do get comments and questions all the time on how I make my maps look like this when I'm driving down the road and like I pan over and you can see my map, and that is legit how. It's super easy and it's awesome. Be sure to follow me for more recipes. Peace.